Hi, my name is Isabella Guillen, and I'm from California. I study at Southern Adventist University, and I'm studying nursing. I think ESDES family is amazing. I personally believe that they are basically making it feel like home. And especially like in the classrooms when we're able to just ask them questions, they help us to improve our Spanish. They're helping us to understand it better. And I feel like with the ESDES community, we're able to do that. And I feel more comfortable, and I feel that a lot of students feel comfortable going up to any teacher in ESDES, and we're just able to ask them a question because that's the type of people they are, and they want us to understand, but they also have a loving heart with everything they do. We are a little farther away from Valencia, so you're gonna have to take the Redfin train, and I believe that's when you're able to interact with locals and you're able to have conversations with them. And I've had countless stories and countless conversations with people on the train and just speaking Spanish to them and practicing my own. And I feel like ESDES puts us in a lot of situations where we're able to get to know people around our community. And I believe, especially in the church, we're able to do that, and we're able to be surrounded with people that live here in Spain. No pasa nada. No pasa nada. I feel like I've heard that a lot throughout this quarter that I've been here, especially just in classes. And I feel like a lot of Spaniards say that, like no pasa nada. And it's true because not only in the class, like, oops, I did something wrong, no pasa nada, and they tell me that. And like, I also put it into my own life. It's like, I'm missing my family, but I'm gonna be home soon, so no pasa nada. Or I'm trying to study for this exam, but like, I need help, and the teacher's like, no pasa nada, let me help you. It's kind of like, not like a, oh, shrug it off. It's more of like, no pasa nada, we could help. And I feel like that's what ESDES a lot of time does. So like I think about that because it's like no pasa nada. It's like it couldn't be in my control. It's all in God's hands. Hi guys, I would like to invite you to come to Sagunto and learn more Spanish. This is the school called ESDES, based in Spain, and they are helping to improve your Spanish, to support you through your troubles of learning Spanish, and also supporting you to travel the world. Here in ESDES, we're able to be close-knit, and we're like a family, and I would like for everyone to experience this wonderful blessing that I was able to experience this semester. So I hope and pray that you're able to come out to Spain and learn a little bit more Spanish.